Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can zoom in and zoom out in the pages you edit and create in the Framer website editor. So let us dive into this. So head over to your website project through the Framer web editor, navigate to the given page, and there are two ways how you can do this, guys. So here on Framer there is that zoom panel at the bottom. Click into it, it will be set to 100% on default. But you can, for example, use one of these options. For example, zoom in, zoom out, or use these shortcuts here. And then, as you can see, it will zoom in, zoom out by 50% or 100%, like this. Of course, what you want to do, guys, is zoom back to default to 100%, or select the zoom to fit, which would look like this. And there's also option number 2, guys. You may use left control on your keyboard, press and hold it, and then use your mouse wheel to find the custom zoom level. And option number 3 is optional. You may use, for example, extensions here on Google Chrome if you're accessing Framer. Like this, for example, I'm using this one here for demonstration purposes, and you can find these in the Google Chrome Extension Center, and this will allow me, for example, to press Alt on my keyboard, use my mouse wheel like this, forth and to the back like this, and zoom into specific areas of the not specifically here on the page, but in general in the Google Chrome browser. So it will be applied also here in the page editor. So that's the more universal or general option here on Google Chrome. So guys, that's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.